Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V21 and let me share with you some useful secret codes which you can use on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and tap on the keypad because this is the place where we'll enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the shortest code and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which is actually very similar to the previous one. It is *#07#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can open the SAR level, so here we can check the head and the body of our device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which is again very similar to the first and the second one. It is *#09#. And thanks to those general informations which are opened by this code, you can check again the email number, the barcode, network access name, you can check the ROM size and scan those QR codes in order to check your device more. So that was all for this code, and let me show you another one which will open the factory test. It is *#558#. And as you can see here, we've got the factory test. So here you've got the debugging port, you've got the QC test and the settings. So after, for example, tapping on the settings, you're able to check the privacy terms and your rights and so on and so on. So you can learn a little bit. You can also tap on the QC test, and here you can of course scan this QR code. Let's pretend that I have scanned it. So let me tap on it, and here you've got two different modes, two different tests. So you've got the FQC test and OQC test. So after tapping on this one, for example, you can check the brightness test, the phone info, camera, Bluetooth test, fingerprint test, NFC test, and so on. So here you've got some components of your device which you're able to check, and after getting back you can also enter another test, and here you've got something like the SIM lock state, factory reset, or the email. So I highly recommend to have fun with this section because not only you can have fun, but also you can check the components of your device. So that was all for this code, and as I said, I highly recommend to stay there and have fun. And let me show you another code which will open the version test. It is *#225#*##*#. And as I said, here we've got the version test. So here again we've got some technical info like the network access name, app version, compile time, the barcode, the secure boot, or the email numbers, and so on and so on. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *#426#*##*#. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, or sign-in level will also appear here if you will have the connection. What's more, you can tap on events, and as you can see, you've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on advanced view and getting back, you will be able to check some more information just like the heartbeat or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code which will open the testing menu. It is *#46336##. And as you can see here, we've got the phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So let me first of all check the phone information, and as you can see here you can check the email number, for example, current network, data service, or data network type. What's more, you can run ping test here, and here you've got the results. After tapping on the three dots icon, you can also enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's get back and let's check, for example, usage statistics, and as you can see here, we've got the list of all apps and processes which are right now on this device, and at this moment they are sorted by the usage time. So you can, for example, check that I've been using the settings for 5 minutes. What's more, you can change the sorting type, of course, to the last time use or app name, and of course after picking the app name, all of the apps will be listed alphabetically. Let me get back and let's check the Wi-Fi info. So here we can check the API configuration or the status. Let's pick the status, let's refresh the stats, and here we've got the info like the network state, SSID or network ID. Of course, we can run ping tests here also. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your VIVO V21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.